Proof Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Proof and recommended alternatives are in the description. Let's get straight into it. Proof is a social proof and conversion optimization tool designed to boost trust, increase sales, and reduce bounce rates for dropshipping businesses. It uses real-time notifications to show potential customers that others are engaging with your products, whether it's purchases, sign-ups, or activity on your site. By displaying notifications like 5 people bought this in the last 10 minutes, Proof helps create urgency and build credibility, ultimately encouraging more visitors to make a purchase. Who is it for? Proof is perfect for dropshippers who want to increase conversions by leveraging the power of social proof. It's ideal for businesses that want to create a sense of urgency and trust, especially in highly competitive markets. Key features include real-time notifications, behavior-triggered pop-ups, A/B testing, integrations with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, and customizable templates. Proof's real-time notifications work seamlessly with your store, helping you drive more sales by highlighting customer activity. Strengths? Proof's main strength lies in its ability to harness the psychological power of social proof. By showing potential customers that others are buying or engaging with your products, it builds trust and creates a sense of urgency. The platform's integration with Shopify is seamless, making it easy to implement on your dropshipping store. Proof's behavior-triggered pop-ups are another powerful feature, allowing you to target specific visitors with personalized messages based on their actions, such as viewing a product or adding it to the cart. Additionally, the A/B testing feature enables you to optimize your notifications and pop-ups for better performance. Weaknesses? One drawback of Proof is its pricing. While it offers a 7-day free trial, the monthly subscription costs can be a bit steep for small businesses or those just starting in the dropshipping space. Also, while Proof helps boost conversions, it doesn't handle other aspects of the dropshipping business, such as product sourcing, fulfillment, or customer service. For businesses seeking an all-in-one solution, Proof may not meet all their needs. Final verdict. Proof is an excellent tool for dropshippers looking to increase conversions by leveraging social proof. It's simple to use, integrates well with platforms like Shopify, and offers powerful features like real-time notifications and behavior-based pop-ups. However, the pricing could be a challenge for smaller businesses. If you're looking to build trust and urgency on your site to boost sales, Proof is definitely worth considering.